turn an anime picture into something realistic like this. How do we do it? Let's start. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to try turning anime images into realistic versions like the one you just saw using free AI tools. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe and like first so I stay motivated to make more content like this. Okay, first step, you must prepare the anime images you want to turn realistic. Here I already prepared to Zoro and Gojo. Now let's ask ChatGPT to make the prompt. Here, I upload the Zoro character first. To generate the image, I'm going to use two tools, Piclumen and Gemini. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, then open Piclumen and paste the prompt. Click Generate and wait for the results. The results are out, but in my opinion, it's not good because it doesn't look similar at all. So I'm going to try Gemini. The step is the same as before. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. But here I'm also going to upload the Zoro character. Okay, the result is out and it's pretty good. I'll download it first. For both Gemini and Piclumen, you can create an account using your Gmail. Okay, next, I'm going to try the character Gojo. The method is the same as before. We asked ChatGPT to make the prompt first. Next, copy the prompt and I'll generate it in Piclumen first, just like before. Now let's try it in Gemini and compare the results. Okay, the result is out. In my opinion, for the Gojo character, the Piclumen result looks better compared to the Zoro one earlier. Now I'm going to animate the generated images. We create the prompt with ChatGPT. First upload the generated images into ChatGPT. If the result is out, copy the prompt. Here, I'm going to try Kling AI in Veo 2. First, open Kling AI. Upload the image and paste the prompt. Click Generate and wait for the results. While waiting for Kling AI, I'm going to try creating it with Veo 2. Copy the prompt, then open Google AI Studio and select Veo 2. Upload the image and paste the prompt. Click Run and wait for the result. Okay, here it is. Okay, that's it for our video today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.